Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and today we're going to take a look at the Zhiyun Crane M2. This is the smaller compact gimbal series that's just been released. And the nice thing about this gimbal is you can use it with your smartphone, and that's kind of handy. And also it can work with small mirrorless cameras up to 1.58 pounds. It's so small and compact, you can see there it comes with a little strap, little wrist strap, kind of like a camera would come with. Of course, it charges USB-C. That's what that cable is there. Here is the adapter plate for mounting your smartphone. And you can see it's under tension for different sizes of smartphone. So that works really well. And my sample video was shot on a smartphone just to see how well it would do. Because a lot of times with the bigger gimbals, it doesn't work so well. It does come with a compact mini tripod. Be aware that this gimbal is made out of some kind of plastic material to keep the weight down and also probably the cost. Just the arms of the gimbal are made out of some kind of alloy to make it a little bit more robust. But a nice thing about this gimbal is that when you use it, it actually locks in place. So when you put it away, you can see it's all kind of locked in place like this. And the nice thing about the gimbal is when you set it up, it has memory positions for each one of the 3 settings for setting up the gimbal, so you can quickly unlock it and go ahead and get it up and running without rebalancing it again. So that's kind of nice when you put it away, that you can take it out of your backpack, whatever have you, and you can go ahead and get it up and running without rebalancing it first. So that's a nice plus. A lot of the gimbals, the more expensive gimbals, are starting to do that, and this one has that feature too. Of course, you can see here it does have a 1/4-20 mounting post at the bottom of the handle, and you can see there it makes it very handy for when you're going ahead and mounting, balancing your gimbal to your camera or smartphone. So guys, there's a quick look at the Zhiyun Crane M2. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will be making more videos with a bigger, heavier camera to see how that works. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.